Together, we have blurred the lines of beauty.
My skin is in.
I am glowing.
My skin is healthy and I'm happy.
This is
beautiful.
My skin is a canvas.
Confidence comes from within.
I take control of my identity.
My shade is just perfect.
I am enough.
Now it's time to raise the flag for self-love.
Serve, 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 serve. Turn up the bass. Turn up the bass. Work the bass. Turn up the bass.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I give you our newest launch for 2022. I am the founder of One Size, so I'm here to present to you our Turn Up the Bass Beauty Blur Balm. It's available right now on Sephora.com, in stores US and Canada, and also OneSizeBeauty.com. All right guys, this is it right here. How gorgeous is it? It's a squeeze bottle. It has a beautiful red chrome cap. It's very unique because it has the dispense right here. Squeezes out. It's 1 fluid ounce, $33 US, 43 Canadian. It's so amazing. When I say this is a triple threat, it is amazing. I'm wearing it right now, and I know I look like I have a full face of full coverage foundation, but it is all Turn Up the Base. Yes, this is an extension of the Turn Up the Base family. If you guys didn't know, last year we launched Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, which happened to win an award in Allure Best Powder Foundation for 2021. So proud of ourselves at One Size. And we also launched our Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer, which I know are some of y'all's favorite. And right here is our Turn Up the Base BBB Cream. It's the first triple B of its kind BBB cream. We all know BB creams, beauty bombs, but this is a beauty blurring balm. I will tell you more about it, but it is just so beautiful. And I say it's a triple threat because it blurs the texture. You guys see my skin right now, so blurry. It also balances my oil and also boosts hydration. So this is such a beautiful product, and I know you guys are probably wondering, where's the foundation? I'm working on it, okay? Y'all know I love my complexion, but I wanted something that was one size that can fit everybody. I'm really inspired by men in makeup as well. So if you are a man out there, or if you prefer something more natural, this is literally for you. But if you guys can see, you can build it up to a full glam look, and I will show you guys a little bit later what that looks like for a natural look and also a full glam look. Here's a before and after of me with no makeup on my texture, my hyperpigmentation, and this is me with just the BB cream with it by itself. And over here we have me again before and also after with a full face of makeup. Really quick before I get into all the details, the photo shoot, the inspiration, you guys see behind me I have Color Guard flag. Shout out to all my band geeks out there, my Color Guard, my DCI, WGI, everyone that is involved in marching band to some extent. Like, I was a band geek growing up, and in this campaign, I invited my youngest brother, Paul, to be in the campaign. He is in Color Guard, and if you guys remember, in our first ever launch for Turn Up the Bass, we had a marching band concept. We were marching to the beat of our drum and just celebrating partnership and community and camaraderie. And when I was in a marching band, that really meant a lot to me. And so an extension of that is Color Guard. And everything that we do at One Size is music and movement through makeup. It was such a missing part of the Turn Up the Base franchise complexion family because we haven't introduced a movement in Color Guard in a way, and I've never seen it ever done before in beauty. So I invited Paul to come spin his little flag, do his thing, and it's kind of symbolic because we're raising our flag and putting it down and saying we are here, we are celebrating our skin, and I just loved how beautiful it came out. And shout out to the team, the One Size team, and Jacob and Malaya for putting this all together, and it just came out so beautiful. So shout out to my Color Guard bitches out there. I love you. Okay, so on set, everyone was rocking the BBB cream. When I actually see it on people at the shoot, that's when it like gets real because we are moving, we are getting dressed, we are getting the hair done. Seeing it on skin was like the most exciting thing. And for me, the ingredients and the technology behind this is so good. And addressing your skin texture for us at One Size is a top priority because, you know me, I'm a man in makeup. I shave, I have pores, I have texture. The most important thing is to have ingredients that help create that blurred and smooth filter look for all of you guys when you guys check it out. For me, when I use it with the Secure the Blur primer, it actually gives a more gripped effect because It's literally like a magnet, our primer. So when you put the primer and this on, which is how I'm wearing it right now, the skin just looks amazing. And for me, I love using it with my hands. And I rub it in. If you want more of a medium coverage, use a brush. But I feel like what's best for me is just putting it in your hands. You can get it on the go, and the warmth just really works it into the skin. Okay, no tea, no shade. You're probably looking at me saying, you got full coverage, you is a liar. And yes, I have worked it up to a full coverage, but again, this is me with just the BBB, and this is me with all of Turn Up the Base. So right now on my face, right now, live in action, I have the primer, Turn Up the Base, BBB cream. I have the Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer, the Turn Up the Base Ultimate Setting Powder to set, and I have the Turn Up the Base powder foundation. So all of it is on there. I have no liquid foundation, no cream foundation at all. The ingredients of this are so freaking gorgeous, and at one side, it's important to me to address texture and how we as a beauty brand can help you at home feel good improving your texture. Like our Secure the Blur, we have niacinamide, which helps retexturize your skin. We have microspheres that blur the skin. So just even having that education and creating that product, I was able to take from that primer and bottle it into this BBB cream, which looks good and is also good for you. So in this, we have white rose stem cells. It's derived from the Japanese white rose, which is known for its resilience, and it helps improve the appearance of skin tone, and it also controls oil over time. And also the pigments in this. For a BBB cream, I know some of y'all out there gonna be like, damn bitch, this is a lot of coverage, but it's only 11%. If you guys didn't know, 11/11 is my birthday, 11 is my lucky number, and it just so happens that 11% pigment was the perfect amount. When we were creating it, everyone was saying, we like 8%, we like 8%. When I tested this with all my friends and my girls and my guys, 11 was absolutely perfect in this. And so for me, in sharing this with all of you, the amount of pigment in here is just perfect for the BBB cream, because others on the market like skin tint, CC creams, BB creams, they just slip and slide on my fat ass face, okay? When I'm huffing and I'm puffing and I'm wearing a mask, it just be slipping and sliding. But for me to just be on the go and to not want to wear makeup but have coverage, this is literally what I've been wearing on my Sunday brunches, out on the market, and it's not foundation, and it's not like clogging my pores. So this is really, really good, especially with the primer. Also in this, we have the same avocado and mango butters, the Hydra Blend that's found in our Butter Silk Concealer. So you can imagine that concealer is literally my favorite. So I was like, can we please include that same blurring, hydrating effect in here? And that's what gives it the buildable coverage. It gives it that balance, and it also gives it that blur, hence BBB. So those of you at home, I know this is an investment for you, but also before getting to you and in store and online, it's an investment for me. And so I challenged myself to give this to people outside of my friend group, outside of my makeup artists, outside of the people that I know and that I love, so I can really know what the fuck it takes to have a good product. So once I found my formula, we did a test on people anonymous that I didn't know, so I can get the proper, honest feedback, and I have the results. 100% of people that tried this said it provides a boost of hydration to skin. 100% of people said that this product makes my skin instantly feel smoother. And 100% said this product is so lightweight, it feels like my skin. Bitch, I am shook. I am so happy. I am so excited for you to try this. But before you do, check out this demonstration that I'm going to show you how I use my BBB cream. All right, so first I like to take my Secure the Blur primer, rub this in my hands, and work that into my cheeks and my textured areas where I have large pores. And this is gonna provide a grip like no other for the BBB cream. And this right here, I've applied it with a brush and brushed it on. This gave me a more medium coverage. Now with my fingers, I warmed it up, and you can apply it and rub it in, and it gives you a more full coverage. And this is the before and the after with just the BBB cream alone. Now right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to get that full coverage beat that I'm wearing right now. So I've done my face per usual, started with the brows and then the face. I've applied my primer. And with the BB cream, again, the hands is like the best, especially when I'm going out with friends last minute, meeting them, and I just wanna look polished. I've applied this, rubbed it with my hands, worked it into the skin. And this works so beautiful with the Butter Silk Concealer. And I've set that with the Ultimate Translucent Powder. And last, to dust everything off and provide that award-winning coverage, I've finished it off with the Turn of the Base Powder Foundation in the color Medium 5. Oh, and also for me, my color is Medium Dark 1. In the back, we also indicate on every one of our Turn of the Base products the undertones. So Medium Dark 1 is a neutral. Y'all, do you see this face? I can't believe for me, it's the first time that I'm doing a campaign without like a full coverage foundation, but I get the look that I want, but I don't feel heavy. The only thing heavy about this is probably the amount of powder, just because I am plus size and I sweat, but I feel so confident in this that it's not going anywhere and my texture looks absolutely smooth. And again, BBB, concealer, setting powder, powder foundation, and literally that's all I have as far as my complexion, and I look perfect. Blur texture, balances my oils, and my hydration is getting boosted as we speak right now. And it's not a vaccine. Boosted. Get your booster. We got boosters in this, y'all. The Cosmetic Drag Council said that this was approved. It boosts hydration, balances oil, and blurs your texture. All right, you guys, I really can't wait for you guys to try this and hear what you guys think. Be sure to tag One Size, hashtag Beauty Blur Balm, hashtag Turn of the Base, hashtag One Size Beauty, so I can see you and my team can see you, so we can see all of your looks. Turn of the Base is available right now at Sephora US and Canada, and One Size Beauty as of today. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Turn up the bass, work the bass, turn up the bass.